Hey, what is up guys, it's Hector here back with another video, and today guys I'm going to be going ahead and showing you guys what is new in iOS 12.2. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Starting off with the performance, I'm currently using the iPhone XR, and while on iOS 12.4.1, I had a Geekbench score of 4,810 for single core and 11,365 for multi-core. After updating to iOS 12.2, I had a 4,710 for single core and 11,306 for multi-core, which is a slight decrease. Upon watching other people test iOS 12.2, most of them found that iOS 12.2 actually increased the speed, but upon running Geekbench for 4 times in a row and restarting my device before running each time, the best score that I got was still only a single core score of 4,793 and a multi-core score of 11,455, which is still a decrease for the single core. However, for regular use so far, everything is nice and smooth, although upon updating my phone was a little sluggish. So the first thing that's new is that Apple News is now available in Canada, and Apple News Plus also just launched, which essentially is a magazine subscription from more than 300 popular sources. And I also forgot to mention, this also got a new icon, and I think overall that Apple News looks better. 5G is also available for all the phones that are using AT&T, but do know that 5G is not actually 5G, but instead it's just a small improvement to LTE. Next, the About page and settings has now changed as well, making everything more organized, and there's also a tab where you can check when your coverage expires, so in all, this is a really nice refresh. Along with the new interface changes, there are also now search arrows which make conducting Google searches easier. There's also a new motion and orientation toggle that's off by default, which lets websites access more motion data. There is also a slight interface redesign to the Wallet app to get ready for the credit card that Apple is going to roll out. Now there's also new Animoji added, including a boar, a shark, a giraffe, and an owl. You can now also see the air quality of specific cities and maps when you zoom in on it. Finally, there's a new Apple TV remote interface, which is now completely redesigned and covers the whole screen. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am trying to make a series where I inform you guys about what's new in each of the iOS, macOS, and watchOS updates. So if you enjoyed this, please make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can get these videos from me when they first come out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.